Hey guys, I just turned on my camera, another video I want to show you guys, but check this out. All right, got a little mess here, been doing some projects and stuff, but let me just put this a little closer. Give me a second. All right, there you go. Okay guys, so let me show you this. So, all right, so I ordered this waterproof lighter case cover holder for a BIC, right? Says purchased one time. Last purchase October 3rd, 2025. And check it out. I got it right here. For I have a situation. Purchased one time, right? I was sent two of them. Amazon made a mistake. I was only charged once. So let's open this one. We'll talk about it really quick. And I'm not gonna lie, I did open it already. I checked it out, but I want to show you guys what it looks like, coming from the box. So let's just open this. I really like it. My first impression was, wow, this thing is big, but it's pretty cool. It's just it's waterproof. It has the O-ring in it. Look at the O-ring right there. On the inside, let me get a little pointer. Let me get this knife right here. All right, so let's see there. On the inside, this little scratch. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a tiny little scratch from when they were making this, I guess. Right here too. See if you can see this. You can see the little scratch right there and right there. But it's still excellent. The other one, this one, also has the same thing. So let me put a lighter here. I do have my I like carrying my lighters. I buy the lighters every once in a while. It's good to have lighters in hand, sometimes. So I actually saw this from another content creator here on YouTube. I liked this so much, I looked it up and I was like, man, I gotta get that. It's one of those things that you say, wow, it's pretty cool. So let me put this now. Look at the way this lighter falls in, because of the air. It doesn't like just fall in there really quick because of the air, this air in there that's escaping from the sides. There you go. So that's how it goes. But you know what? Let me do something first. Let me take out this little, I hate these little metal pieces right here. So let me get some dikes. All right, here's some diagonal cutters so I can take this out. I hate these little safety things here. Since I don't have any kids at home, cut these out so I can take this out. There you go, that's one. Let's take this one out. Okay, now I can take this out, pull it right out. Let me take my newer pliers. I did showcase this one. Take this out right here. These are from Harbor Freight. There you go. Much better. Because that thing was, actually gets in the way. But now it's a little sharp area right here. So I am going to see if I can bend this down or take this part off. Alright, there you go. Take that out. This one is, oh, it's nice and flat. Not bad. Alright, so let's put this in here. Now, they said that you can, of course, put money in here. So, the machining on this is, yeah, some sharp edges. But, it's no big deal, really. Alright, so now we can, there you go, much better without the little safety cover thing. Now you can turn it on. Look at that. Little superficial scratches, but I don't care about that. You can feel the resistance once you're turning this because of the O-ring. See that O-ring right there? That O-ring right there. You could actually put bills in here. It's pretty heavy. I want to carry this in my backpack. And it comes with this ring right here. So let's put this right here. And I am going to show you guys also what I ordered, what other thing I ordered. I'm going to make a separate video. So there you go. Nice. You could probably put some pills in here too. But I want to show you guys something. So I ordered this at the same time with this Maxpedition bag. Both of these came together, this one and this one, in the same package. But I saw the Amazon guy, he dropped off 2 packages. I'm like, okay, what's going on? So it was a package for this one, and these 2 were together. At first I was thinking that these 2 were separate like this, you know. But no, these 2 were together, and this one was. So this is an extra one. I only got charged 1 time. So I can either return this one, you know, it has a little scratch inside too, like I showed. But it's okay. I mean, it's not really not a big deal. Either return this one, and then I'll get my money back. So that means I will get this one for free. You know, this one right here by itself for free, or keep it and do a giveaway. But the thing about giveaways is that, you know, we got scammers, and I don't know who I'm sending it to. I have to come out with a unique way to send it to somebody. Maybe I don't know if I don't know. I'm not sure how to do the giveaway. You know, I don't mind giving it away. So that's it on that one. I am going to make my next video. Stay tuned for this one because I haven't opened it yet, and I'm gonna make the video on this one. So guys, I see you on the next video. So let me just set this right here and zoom in on it. There you go. Leave this right here. All right, there you go. Take care, guys.
In a world full of gadgets, where to begin? Get the tips and the tricks, let the journey begin. Everyday carrier, we got the right crew. Tools in our hands, building something new. From the blades that cut to the multi-tools bright, come discover the magic. We'll guide you right. Home Depot or the Lowe's, Harbor Freight's call. Amazon treasures, let's share it all. Subscribe to the channel, don't miss out. We're all about tools, that's what it's about. Like, share, and follow, you know what to do. With every new video, there's something for you.